folks, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're at on this beautiful planet we call the Earth. Rolling out with JENZEL here. And we're headed over to Angeles City Public Market. We're going at a bad time. Usually it's better to go in the morning, obviously, but I got up this morning, got busy. That's why I didn't get up too early. So therefore, we're not going early. Probably everybody's going to be closed at the present time, and we may be coming back in the morning, but hey, that's just the way it is. I'm going to take a look at the river over here. Got some kids over here playing volleyball down by the river. Tight squeeze on the sidewalk here, folks. Oh yeah, I got a good volleyball game going on. Hey JENZEL, you want to watch the volleyball game? Got all these kids right here watching the game. Hey, got some sports going on. It's good to see. Yeah, folks, just hanging out over here for a while, see what's going on in AC, see some friends before they depart good old Philippines. Obviously I miss traveling around all the time, so even bouncing back and forth from Loretto to AC, it's a nice little change up the scenery, change up the geography, change up the food options. Think about Angeles City. Great food scene. Whether you like chasing ladies or not, don't even worry about the bar scene. In places like Angeles and Pattaya, the food scene. The food is where it's at. All right, we got a basketball game going on down here with some chillins. That's good. Good to see people playing some sports, playing some games, doing some exercise. Telling JENZEL, I said, well, today earlier, I said, hey, who's going to the market with me? But my kind of a little sneaky, does her little research, figures out what's up. Then what happens is she figures out when I say, hey, I need the backpack, she knows I'm going to be walking. And when Fatima figures out that she's going to have to walk, hey, buddy, how are you? Doing okay? All right. This is that place where I was going to buy some furniture from, handmade right there. So anyhow, when Fatima knows that I'm going to be walking a long distance and I'm not going to take a trike, all of a sudden she's not interested in taking the trip. And so, you know, that's why that's why Janice and I were always walking around, you know, always with Janice, because Fatima don't like the heat, she don't like the sun, and she don't want to walk. Which is kind of funny because she's used to walking long distances just to get to and from her village down in Cebu. But now she's not interested in walking. So, anyhow, once she figured out I was going to walk, she deferred this little mission to JENZEL. And I explained to JENZEL, I said, you got to understand Fatima. You know, if she knows it's going to be a walking mission, she's always going to defer to you. And I asked her if she minds walking, and she said no. She said she likes to walk. So, thank you in the biz there. Rolling strong in that Mercedes, let us go, very nice. Yeah, so JENZEL said she don't mind walking, she likes to walk. And I said, okay, cool. Because Fatima will definitely not fight anybody to go on a walking tour. So here we are. Hello! Rolling strong in that convertible chopper. That's doing a little gangster lean to the left there. I got the popo. Got the popo to the port side of the aircraft. So I got to go shields up, shields down on my train robbery costume. If I did not wash my scarf here, my bandana, my handkerchief. Then she said she couldn't find it. I said, look, I'm not wearing no chin warmer. I want my bandana. And then after a little bit of effort, she did find it. Yeah, it's good to be in Angeles City. See what's happening over here. About to get run over. About to get run over by that chopper right there. You got the hammer down on it, it ain't doing nothing. Alright folks, approaching the market area. See what's happening over here. I don't know what time it is. You know what? Boom, there's a time date stamp. I think it's about 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock. Rough pavement right here. Somebody need to fill that in, I imagine. Okay, so over to the port side, it's got the little shops. But I'm gonna check out the big market and hopefully my vendor that I always used to go to get that broccoli. Hoping she's open. Folks, shooting on an iPhone 12 mini, 4K, 30 frames. Had to drop down from 60 frames. She's putting too much of a hurting on my laptop that's about to crap out. So I dropped it down to 30. And I think we're here at a bad time. It's one of them things for you. You want everybody to be on your schedule, but they're not. But you take a chance anyhow. And it's like a ghost town. All right, Giselle. Welcome to the Angeles City Pampang Public Market. But we came at a bad time, girl. All right, so let's go this way because this is where my broccoli chick was. See if we can find her open, but I guarantee you she's gonna be closed at this hour. Now, Giselle gets up pretty early, so I don't think she got a problem if we have to come back tomorrow when it's early. Fatima will not have a problem sleeping in and watching after the children who are sleeping in. Have 5-0 back here enjoying lunch. Oh yeah, look at some dried peppers. Okay, all right, so we got some options here. So, you know, creatures of habit. Oh yeah, definitely got to get the bananas. But let me go see if my broccoli lady's here first, and if not, we'll come back through here. All right, plenty of bananas. Good deal. Watermelons. Look, I think she's closed. Yep, I think so. Yeah, she's closed. Or maybe she moved. Hell, I don't know. I ain't been here in a while. Okay, Giselle, let's go back over here, girl. My regular lady is closed.
600.
For the whole bag? 600 for the whole bag?
The red one.
The red ones are 600? How much are these?
300 pesos only.
These are 300? We need the red onions. Let me check with Giselle. How many onions we need, darling? How many kilos? Huh? How much per kilo?
55.
55 per kilo?
Ilang kilo yan? 9.
Okay.
Dito sa puti, 55, pero doon 90 ang kilo.
Ito 90 ang kilo.
All right, folks, so she doesn't divide this bag up, but it's 600 pesos for 9 kilos. Now normally these are like, what you say, 90 per kilo, but if you buy the whole bag, it's 66 per kilo. Now we eat the heck out of these onions, and I could probably share with Eric and Mercy or the neighbors, whatever. So I'm tempted to just go ahead and get a big bag and just get it done with, because we always are eating the heck out of onions. All right, folks, I'm leaving it up to Giselle. I said, look, babe, just pick one out. I don't know which bag is which, so she's gonna do the inspection. And this lady here, after some tough negotiations, she said 600, I said 500. She said 600, I said 550. She came back and she said 590. So I got a 10 peso Cano discount on this big bag of onions right here. I told her, I said, look, it's mine and my wife's anniversary. We've been married for 3 years. She gave us a 10 peso discount. All right, folks, we got it down into the Arc'teryx Breeze, 32 liter. That's 9 kilos. Now, Giselle, since I carried the backpack over here, you got to carry the backpack home. That's only fair. You know what I mean? So, hey, I'm an equal opportunity type of guy, you know? I mean, 50-50, right? All right, folks, so we got our onion problem solved. So we don't need onions. We probably need another calabasa. But we need, hello, how are you? Do you have potatoes? Oh, tomatoes? All right, she didn't have no potatoes. So come down here, check out the taters. Oh, kind of good activity. Oh, I see carrots and potatoes. My goodness, we need both. Hello, how are you? Okay, so there's 10 kilos in this bag for 400 pesos. Again, letting Giselle pick out the bag, which one she wants. Oh, they got red peppers in there too. My goodness. Okay, so the carrots are 120 per kilo. Okay, girl, just pick us out maybe 2 or 3 carrots, 2 or 3 kilos. How much are the red peppers? 160. 160? All right, so 160 on the red peppers. Oh yeah, folks, these red peppers look great. They're all fresh off the vine. It's just a difference in here and living over there in Subic, you know. So stuff here is cheaper and fresher. Look at it, everyone will pick up. It's good to go. You're not looking at some old stock. Man, so much better eating over here at Uncle's. It's just the way it is. All right, girl, how you coming with the carrots? Looking good? The hot peppers here, 80 per kilo. 80 per kilo. Oh, about to drop my taters.
Wala plastic bundle dyan. Bundle mo sa dala.
Folks here getting some bananas. We got all kind of bananas up in there. Hello, my friends. How are you? Lee's back in that hammock chilling. All right, yeah, those look good.
1 kilo.
Yeah, how much are they per kilo? 30?
54.
54? All right, folks, 54 for those. All right, folks, avocados are 70. And how much are the mangoes? Yeah, get 6 pieces. How much are the mangoes? 200? Okay. I gotta get some avocado for the dip.
420, 42 to 82.
So I'm at 282, and these are 80 pesos for the whole bag. 80 pesos. Do you like peanuts, Giselle? Yeah? I had to come back and see this lady. So I had 40 pesos. I said, just give me 40 pesos worth of garlic. So she's hooking me up on that. All right, folks, so there we go. The total on that fruit, I think it was 562. 562 on the fruit. Now we just spent 40 on the garlic. All right, Giselle, you ready to carry all this stuff back home? Folks, I'm just joking. You think I make this young lady carry all this stuff? I'm jumping in this Lamborghini right here. This Ferrari. Oh yeah, nice and open so I can film. Awesome. And we loaded up, folks. We loaded up. taters. Still humping a backpack full of onions. Oh, now. Hold on a second. Yeah. Mark is trying to roll in. Hit it 5.0. I got my rag top down so the hair can blow. Angeles City Public Market. I did get my broccoli because my girl was closed over there, but we accomplished our objective. And we are loaded down. Drop this stuff off, and then I got to go find me some chicken somewhere. What we may even do is just kick it over toward the strip over there. Maybe hit Bretto's. Traffic jam here. Too much traffic right here. You know what traffic means to me nowadays? It used to mean a pain in the ass, and now for me traffic means freedom. It means people are moving. Oh shit, he's about to take them on the outside. I'm almost about to take them down on the outside. He went hit on with that van. Oh shit, he's gonna make a run on him. Gonna make a run on him? Nope, just draft him. Just draft him on the car in front of us. Up on the Our Lady of Fatima's Church.